day, 17th month of May, year 2022, when the CEO of Foluke African Center for Arts and Culture Youth in Focus Initiative YIFI GSB, in person of Princess Foluke Adebayo Ni Ogunlowo, Ambassador Wale Ojolanre, and Olori Beatrice Ogunlowo, Foluke African YIFI crew pay courtesy visit to His Imperial Majesty Ooni Adeyeye Babatunde Enitan Ogunwusi Ojaja II to officially introduce Foluke African Center for Arts and Culture to His Imperial Majesty. Getting to the palace, the aide to His Imperial Majesty took the CEO and her crew round the palace to show them some deep things that shows the historical fact about the origin of Yoruba race and the roles played by the father of Yoruba, Odudua, other great men and women of the race.
Well, let me start from, you see, Ife is believed to be the source of not just Yoruba, but also the entire mankind. The world is believed to have experienced 3 dynasties of mankind. The first dynasty was terminated by the flood, Noah's flood. And of course that the survivors of that force of the flood started the second dynasty. So the dynasty grew so big, and then of course metamorphosed to the third dynasty. So now, according to our mythology, when I say mythology, I'm referring to the Oduduwa race. We believe that the first mankind, or the first creation of mankind, happened here. I believe that Olodumare, in company of his lieutenants, they created the world and completed that first world by 401 beings, supernatural beings in Amman, What is the meaning of Irunmole? Irinwu Imole. Imole is God's identity. So anyway, Irunmole. Irunmole is one of the 401 deities that God descended from heaven. God descended them from heaven to populate the first mankind. And that first mankind was known as Ife Odayi. Now, Ife, what's the meaning of Ife Odayi? Ife, of the first creation. Okay, now, if you go into the Bible or Quranic explanations, you see a lot of similarities. Okay, now, in the Bible, there's a place in the Bible, now, having created everything that God had wanted to create, that was a kind of imbroglio over there that led to the decision of God to say, oh, gentlemen, you put that every by left for me, and don't see I need to create. You know, I think there cannot be 2 captains. So they came and populated the earth, and that was the first settlement of mankind on earth. And like I said, it was known as Ife Odayi. Like as it's written, it was created by Olodumare and it was occupied by supernatural beings. Those are one supernatural beings. They functioned and they still function both in human form and spirit, like Osun, like Ogun, like Odudua, Orunmila. And is saddled with one responsibility of them. Okay, that's Ogun is responsible for managing the iron, and that's what they call him. I mean, God of Iron. So Ogun has his own Osun has his own, you know. The 401, you have female and male among them. Osun is a female, Yemoja is a female, Oya is a female, and so on and so forth. Kori is a female. You know Kori? Kori is one of the ones. Kori is the goddess of the infancy, goddess of Ewe. Kori Ewe Mapaya Ilekun, Orisha Ewe Mapaya Ilekun. So that first word, of course, survived for thousands of years before God now terminated, for reasons that all of us have read either in the Bible or in the Quran. So it is in the far off. Okay, so now among the 401, there is a particular prophet known as Lua. You know, as you have Sogo, you have Oranfe, you also have Lua. Now Lua was a prophet. Was like he was saddled with the responsibility of getting messages from Olodumare and then passing it around. You know, one time here they were having direct communication with Olodumare. Those on Earth and those in celestial, they were having direct communication. So Lua was among the messenger interfacing between the two realms.
Like Moses.
No, Moses could be similar, but I want any direct, you know, communication with God. And the bad thing you know, so yeah, so it was Lua that actually got the message from God Almighty that was going to terminate the world with water. So he then gave them terms and conditions to survive the flood. Okay, so those who survived along with Noah, you know, Bible number see, these people came and stole our history, them, you know, repackaged it and threw it back to us. Simple. So it was Noah they recoined to be Noah. So Noah, those that now survived alongside Noah were now named Omoluabi. So the second era of mankind was an era of Omoluabi. And that's why till today, anybody that displays a reasonable level of virtue is Omoluabi. Because why? Wọ́n gbọ́ràn sí Lúwà lẹ́nu nígbà tí Olúwa jíṣẹ́ Olódùmarè fún pé ẹ wá o Ọlọ́run máa fi omi pa yín rẹ́ o ẹ ṣe báyìí ẹ ṣe báyìí ẹ ṣe báyìí ẹ máa gbé ẹ fẹ́ yí o. So those that heeded the clarion call and prophecy survived with him, and so for that one we are so then Lua now became a kind of overall head of that started the second phase. Though later other goddess they appeared, you know, they don't die. Because they will not die. So then they didn't die. So after the flood, they all resurfaced, and then they formed the new town. The new town was now, the new community was now known as Ife Oyilagbo. What's the meaning of Ife Oyilagbo? The Ife of the survivors of the flood. Agbo means Lasigbo. Turbulence don't pay near Agbo. Primary one is Lasigbo. Turbulence. It could be economic turbulence. It could be, you know, whatever. It could be disaster. It could be hurricane. It could be anything. You know, what is happening in Ukraine now is Lasigbo. So, Ife of the survivors of the flood, and they were nicknamed as Omoluabi because Lua Loko won't survive. That's last year. I get right. But a lot of control colors are not too many. A lot of people come around and get Lua Omoluabi. How did they come about it? Nobody knows. And that's how it came about it. Now, this era, of course, the humans were mixing with the superhuman beings, and they were populating and repopulating, and they were generating. The mankind began to grow, and it grew to a point where and when there was a need to expand beyond this particular territory. So Oduduwa came up with what we call expansionist policy. He called his lieutenant, said, okay, come on, at the Pogon Sinyo, place Ubon, if I take a month, territory wa, Okun wa mbe, territory wa, Odoya wa mbe, and you know, but how do you now administer that vast? So the only way to do it is to now begin to create other settlements. So you start going wherever you get to, and your horses begin to slip and fall. That's where you are going to. You go anywhere at what you Okiti Ogun, Ekiti ni Edo síbẹ̀. You go anywhere at what you Owu, Olowu, you know. So nǹkan tó ń ṣe náà pè ní pé ó ń kàn lù bẹ́bẹ́. Akànlú ẹ̀mí pé ó ń create àwọn ìlú here and there. So the third dynasty, you know, that this one metamorphosed to was now named as Ife Akànlú bẹ́bẹ́. Nígbà tí ilé ti tóbi jù, ó ti wà densely populated, ó ti choke territory in this small territory. So àwọn tó yọ lọ sọ́yọ́, Èkìtì lọ sí Èkìtì. So ó wà easier for Oduduwa to govern his very vast territory because ẹni tó wà ní Ọ̀yọ́ á mú report wá pé àbàbá àwọn kan ló ń ṣe ládùúgbò mi nìyẹn o. Ẹni tó wà ní Èkó tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ní káwọn yẹn lọ ibi tẹ́ bá ti gbé àwo sí lórí omi tí àwọn yẹn bá ti rì ibẹ̀ ní kẹ́ẹ̀dó sí àwọn yẹn làwórí àwọn òkú fún mi ní rè. Okay, àwọn ló fọ́ọ̀mù Èkó. So they were bringing reports from their various newly created settlements. So it was easier for Oduduwa to now govern the entire territory, and that's why it is today that Awala nílẹ̀ títí dé Jẹ̀bà, Omi River Niger ní boundary wa, and on the Kogi side, that same River Niger ní Kogi ní Lọ́kọ́jà, Awala ní Lọ́kọ́jà, the other side Igala, even cousins wà láwọn Igala náà. And when you come to Asaba Onitsha, Awala ní Jẹ́ Asaba. So and tó wà rẹ̀ lọ sí gbogbo àwọn escavos yẹn, gbogbo Warri nǹkan kan yẹn, Awala ní tẹ́ bá wo rẹ̀ pé Warri àti Ondo àti Ìlàjẹ wọn. So territory wa gbogbo nìyẹn, territory wa nìyẹn. And but it's also believed that policy náà ló jẹ́ kí gbogbo ayé, because when you go outside, when you travel abroad and you meet those who are ready to say the truth, even the whites, they will confirm to you that they actually migrated from Africa.
Yes, DNA is not going on. That's why it is.
DNA, you know, they want to prove it scientifically now. We were the Lambert Palace of the Archbishop of Canterbury. The institutional system of Britain. Britain is governed by 3 institutions. One monarch headed by the Queen, presently headed by the King. Second, government headed by Prime Minister. The third, the church. Nothing can happen at the government level except with the consent of the church and the monarchy. It is not possible. I remember even the day we were visiting me, very important meeting with the Queen, because there was a bill that he want to co-sign, he want to co-assent with the Queen. There was a bill they forwarded from the Parliament that the two of them will need to co-assent. So you can imagine how powerful he is. Now, such a person now admitting that they migrated from Africa, because he told us that we all here migrated from Africa. And if you look at it, the only race in the whole world, not only in Africa, the only race in the whole world that has or have consistently claimed to be the source of humanity is Yoruba race. No other race has been shouted, "Hey, if Yoruba." So if the whole world is now narrowing down their focus towards Africa as their source, you will not look at Ife náà ni. We were in Ghana, Asante. Ó sọ fún wa pé the Asante people migrated from Nigeria. 90% of them from Yoruba race, particularly Ile-Ife. The king I quoted, it's on the okay, so be Ife all over the world. We stumbled on a report, a document of an archaeological research work it's done by the EU about 10 years ago. And in that report, though one Bijadi not kill but we'll sneak out, In that report, it reflects that the world started from the tropical Africa. So tropical Africa. So this represents the three dynasties of mankind, and starting from Ife, like I said, Ife of Dai, Ife of the first creation. Adam and Eve and what have you. Second one, Ife of Ilabu. This one was terminated by the Noah flood. Lord of Lua ni Olisa Lua. Tọ́lẹ̀ sọ́mọ́ kó àní ọmọ Lua bí ọmọ tí Lua bí ló jẹ́ kí àǹsọ́mọ Noah wà kí sọ́mọ Noah ọmọ Lua bí Olisa wa ló jẹ́ Lua. Lua is the messenger of God, Olódùmarè. So ìgbà tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ lè wọ́n fọ́ọ̀mù lè Odùduwà náà ló wá jẹ ọba all of them they were spirits, they disappeared and came back, and then this one was never terminated but grew to be divided into what we now have now. So the entire world is considered today to be, to be product of the policy of Ife Akanlubebe, expansionist policies. So it is important that very, very important. Resources in Ife. So we try and explain, what you can find abundantly. Commercial quantities. We have tourmaline, different kind of tourmaline. We have gold. Yes. We have gold. One of the purest in the whole world, as certified and confirmed by the world powerful dealers in gold. Even the Nigerian Ministry of Mines and Power came and confirmed it. Today, you have the Chinese community in Ife of not less than about 200 Chinese nationals living in Ife. You have the Chinese community in Ife. So what are you doing? You are mining gold. So, are you can see them? What you find abundantly,
expensive stones.
The Global Real Estate Institute.
Okay, the brass at the time, the Ifes, especially the other princes who are also qualified to, they were still became magistrated. Baba Ife lọ sáwọn ní tọba mọ́ ni. Ó gbogbo dirin. Ó ní máa pè ní ọba lufun gbogbo dirin. Ó pẹ́, he spent close to 2,000 years. When you say to people who want to just refer them to Methuselah in Jimaila. As old as 950 or 960 years. Why not because when you say I'm young, just refer them to the Bible. Okay? And the era of the Bible came after thousands of years of existence of this environment. Yes, of course. This environment had existed for thousands of years. Before Bible and Quran came. Everywhere you have Oba in council, and of course, in council means a cabinet, Oni and his cabinet members. It's a 17-member cabinet headed by Oni. That's why it's called Oni Council. So it means that he has other 16 co-members, and it's important I say that Ife, tell me who is in Simba. Ife is is an amalgamation of communities, of independent communities. Okay? Nobody, in fact, all Nigon is from an autonomous or semi-autonomous, semi-autonomous community. They used to be fully autonomous until when they came together and became amalgamated, and that's why they say Omodigbon. That was a conference. They all came together and agreed to be one united state, and then now created that too. All new will be the overall. So it's like a force among equal position. Started by Oduduwa. Again, to them the man sọ pé Oduduwa ó bá wọn kan ní gbogbo nǹkan tó ń wá tàdá sọ ń gbà yẹn. So àwọn yẹn nìyí. Now they are divided into two parts. One side is called Agbafe. Olóyè Ifẹ̀ on the national rule. You know, I say that Ifẹ̀ is made up of semi-autonomous, so they are the heads of various. But anyway, the man signed. I want to sign personally on it. I said, "Come be with Zola Fari, lower that compound." Okerewi. Okere is my town.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but I'm from Ife. Something like Okere is, you know, you say Odude. There's a community. There's a community. Alade. So I'm from Okerewi. I have my king.
Okay.
My king is here too. Then I now have my super king. You know, so now on the left hand side, these are the appointees of the king. You know, when we go okay, he saw that okay, he'll be leading his colleagues. You know, the most difficult leadership is when you are leading your colleagues. Because they will see you as being now. So to really break their or to you need to inject some appointees who will be loyal to you. Okay, so that was how he came up with this idea of okay expanding that council. They used to be 8, but they were all his equal. So to get things done among them will be difficult. Because majority will carry the total amount by vote against it. So he now created offices for these 8 chiefs now to expand the council and ensure that all of these are his appointees. So when you have this, they call Modewa. What is Modewa? Modewa, for instance. Modewa means Modewa. Ìránṣẹ́ ọba ló jẹ́ Modewa. Okay, if you are lower is it is the second deputy of Oni. Okay, anybody that becomes lower is very powerful in effect. It's like the deputy, second in command to Oni. But lower must have started from here. Promotion. Okay, I lost my brother recently. He was already here. Yeah, he started from here, and he got here before he died. Okay, so ọmọdé ìwà oníwọ́n dìgbọ́n sí ọmọdé wa. So àwọn ọmọ lóyà sọ́hún ni. One, because láti lè ìránṣẹ́ Ọ̀ọ̀ni wọn tó ní wá magnanimously bring sínú system of leadership. Ṣé nǹkan máa lóyà pa? Ó ti yé sìn. So only pay with these people pẹ̀lú ní 9 votes kọ́kọ́ ní ẹ̀nà àbí against 8. So tó wá kẹ́lẹ́ wá níbi ẹyọ kan. So you always have his because we operate democracy. They discuss at the cabinet and they come up with their resolution democratically. But on is always safe because he has Amele only so hard because there is appointees. Harry, this is just we just use as a replica of people should know what Harry now. You see this Harry. Most of them kan a máa ń dórúkọ àkí mọ dórúkọ ẹ̀ tí wà nínú. Àwọn àwọn ni Olódùmarè kí ni ìtumọ̀ Olódùmarè? Olódù tó mọ Adéarè. Because Adéarè is a mystery and nobody can unravel the mystery. So it's only God who had the joker for the creation of the mystery that can tell you about the ministry that can unravel the ministry of that's why the kò sẹ́ tó mọ̀ o ẹnìkan tó mọ̀ ní Olúodù tá a fi ṣe Adéarè àwọn ìfi Olúodù Ọlọ́run ìtumọ̀ Olódùmarè tí gbogbo ń pèlè nìyẹn Olúodù tó mọ̀ Adéarè táyé tọ́ ní.
Okay.
50, right? 50,000 Onis that including the reigning one. Aside from Odudua started it, he was succeeded by Obalufun Ogboni. Obalufun Ogboni was among the 30. He gave back to Alayimore. So when he was reigning, it was during his reign that Edo was created. He was the one. His government was the government that seconded Oromiyan to do what he did by creating the royal dynasty. Okay, Edo was ìlú yẹn Ògìzó ló máa ń pè nígbà yẹn.
Yes.
They were of Àtíkọ̀ Bàtálá, àwọn ọmọ Bàtálá nìyẹn. So but the leadership turbulence were this and that. So Ifẹ̀ wá second the prince to go and stabilize the politics and economy of that kingdom. So when he got there, he was able to achieve it and then establish royalty and then made his own son, Eweka. What is Eweka? Owomika. He gave back to his son. He named him as Owomika. That is pé nǹkan tí mo wá ṣe inú yìí Owomika. I mean, yeah, they have the grip of this. So Owomika. So he named his son Owomika. So and orúkọ Benin báyẹn ilẹ̀ ìbínú ni. So wọ́n wá change sí later on change sí Benin and ilẹ̀ ìbínú gangan ni tẹ́lẹ̀, you know. So now ọmọ ẹ̀ wá jẹ ọba Eweka yẹn ni ó produce lineage ní gbogbo ọba tó ń jẹ́ Benin up to today. So àwọn ọmọ ọba àwọn tó jọba ń bì ọmọ Oromiyan. So Oromiyan came back. He was decorated, you know, as the way you decorate whoever that has gone to war and come back. Now, he was seconded. He was seconded again. Because Oromiyan created so many kingdoms, a lot of you don't know. It's not only Oyo and Benin. Even Ado Ekiti. Ado you are seeing in that name. That Ado represents Ado Benin. They are from Benin, yes. Yeah. Oromiyan, Oromiyan, no. Osile Okeona. Oromiyan ni and so on and so forth. Bẹ́ẹ̀ Osile ní Ẹ̀gbá, Osile. So Oromiyan was seconded to go and create Oyo the way he did. And by the time he was reigning in Oyo as Aláàfin, he established the royalty in Oyo and sat on the throne that he created as the pioneer Aláàfin of Oyo. But this time around, ó ti ń create ó wá sọ pé bàbá ẹ jẹ́ kí n náà ti you know, during the Obalufon who succeeded Odùduwà. Now this Obalufon during, like I said, ó dà ní tó fẹ́ dọ́ta sórí throne àwọn ìlú wa gbogbo tí wọ́n tún wọ́n wá kí bàbá yìí ò mọ́ another person. So ìyẹn kú wọn record it. That's why I say there are so many wọn record it. So that we wàhálà tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà wọn fẹ́ lómi ìjọba ẹlẹ́yìn. So wọ́n ṣe wá fi wọ́n wá ní báwọn sì lè ṣe wọ́n á ní kọ́ lọ fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ jẹ ọ̀nì pé dà òbí because wọ́n tì tẹ̀ kò tí ì parí eré ìrìn kò tí ì ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀ tán kóònù ẹ̀ wá fẹ́ lómi. So wọ́n wá ìwà lọ mú ẹ̀jẹ̀ wa Ọbalufon Alayimore. Okay, thank you. I will say Kenny. After Odùduwà, Ọ̀ṣọ́gangan Bámákin ló jẹ tẹ̀lé. Okay, Ọ̀ṣọ́gangan Bámákin yẹn ó ní grandfather Olúgbò. Olúgbò ti máa sọ pé òun ló nífẹ̀ẹ́. Olúgbàgbé àwọn làwọn nífẹ̀ẹ́. Ọmọ bàbá ẹ̀ nìyẹn. What's the way for Baba? Àwọn tẹ̀mí jọ wọ́n mọ̀ pé kí ló ká sọ ti fa wọ́n ní tẹ̀wọ́n pẹ̀ fẹ́ peace ẹ̀rọ mú ẹ̀jẹ̀ ilé ìwé so wọ́n fi Aláyémọrẹ jẹ. Now Aláyémọrẹ ibi tó wà very interesting to lè máa jọ̀ láti lọ sí wọ́n lè bọ́ ọ̀yìn mọ̀. Now Aláyémọrẹ yìí time tó ń jọba ọ̀rọ̀ mi sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ di Aláàfin.
ẹ
máa gbọ́ owó are important o. Now don't forget that Ọ̀rànmíyàn belongs to is of the lineage of Odùduwà. Lineage ẹ̀kọ́ ni Ọbalùfọ̀n. Now Ọ̀rànmíyàn wá gbọ́ lọ́rùn wá bínú pé ọmọ tó kéré sóhun pé bàbá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kú ń bẹ̀. No, this is nonsense. The first school inú ìwé adọ́kọ̀ àtàkà good data ibi ìlú ti kọ́kọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọ̀rànmíyàn became money via a palace school. He now abdicated, he now left the throne and put his son Ajaka, Dada. Put his son Dada. He came to Ife. Nígbà tó bí pẹ̀lú àwọn ogun ó wá dó sí Asket omi ẹ̀bọ náà ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀ ó wá fi àròkọ ránṣẹ́ sí ibi pé mo fún ẹ ní 3 days tí n bá bá ẹ lórí àpèrè yẹn ẹ̀jẹ̀ á sàn máa dẹ̀ gbà tó yẹn òótọ́ dẹ̀ ni ta ló lè withstand ta ló fẹ́ face ọ̀rọ̀ mi so that's why I say it was a palace school bloodless school. Ọwọ́ tí aláyébọ̀rí gbọ́ igbó bọ́rọ̀ mi yàn ṣe di ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ ń bẹ́ mi gbọ́dọ̀ sọ ẹni mi ò gbà ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ ń bẹ́ ó ti tọ́ba ní ẹni mi ò gbà tó bọ́rọ̀ mi yàn ṣe bá ọ̀rọ̀ mi yàn ló wá lánàá tó wà interesting ọ̀rọ̀ mi yàn ló wá establish pàṣẹ ìjọba ó ti mọ̀ pé he was not really a popular king because he didn't pass through the journey jọba ọjọ́ tó bá gbọ̀ngàn ìyàwó ẹ̀ bímọ ọjọ́ yẹn ọjọ́ tó bá délé lórí wọ́n wá sọ pé mo mú yèé délé àgbà tí mo mú yèé délé lọ́jọ́ tó ń gbá délé lórí wọ́n wá sọ ọmọ ẹni yèé délé délé yẹn ló bí ìyá mi yèé délé yẹn ló bí ìyá mi so he became ẹjẹ́ sọ nǹkan nípa ọmọ yìí ṣé mo tán pè lókè gbó
àti sọ̀rọ̀ ibẹ̀ ní gbọ́ olóbìnrin rẹ̀ wá.
òkè gbóyìn sí ọ̀kí fẹ́ ni.
ibẹ̀ ní gbọ́ olóbìnrin rẹ̀ wá.
àwọn onífẹ̀ tó wà lórí ìlú ẹ̀ sùn ẹni tó dá òkè gbó ni ọ̀gá jájà ni. ẹni yìí ó ti yín bó ṣe wà yìí ọ̀dà ẹni yìí ọ̀nkù ẹni yìí àwọn progenitor kábíyèsí president of Nínú this is Ọ̀jájá this is Dìran Ọlọ́gbẹ́nlá eléyìí ọmọ sísítà ẹni ni so ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀ ló ń gbé ló train ẹ̀ ẹ̀gẹ́ yìí wọ̀ Balógun of Ifẹ̀ tó lọ jagun ní ìrọ̀mbẹ̀ ìlú yẹn Òkègbó wọ́n gbà tó máa lọ tó máa dọ̀yìn àyè ọba ti sílẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ wọ́n á fi
àbúrò ẹ̀ síbẹ̀
ó wá ní tó wáyé káàbúrò lè fi jọba òun ní láti wá mọ́ nìyẹn ẹ̀rọ tó wá ní tó wáyé káàbúrò lè fi jọba òun ò lè wá lé mọ́ nìyẹn àti wọn máa dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún ọmọ òun ó wá dúró sí Ìgbò tó ti yín sìn so gbogbo àyẹn Ifẹ̀ ni kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ Ondo state ẹ̀ka àdékè mi wà ní bẹ́yìn náà lókè gbóǹbẹ́yìn tó ti yín sìn so gbàtẹ́ni wá wọ́n ṣe wà lọ bẹ̀ pé kó wà lè fi rí pé òun sọ sí di àbúrò ẹ̀.
Thank you.
Ìyá mi gbogbo àṣẹ lọ́wọ́ yín o ọmọ gẹ̀ẹ́sì nílùú ṣẹ́gẹ́sì sí ẹni tó jẹ́ the main progenitor àwọn kábíyèsí ọ̀gbẹ́ni ẹ máa ń pè ọmọ gẹ̀ẹ́sì so gẹ̀ẹ́sì yìí ọmọ ògbóòrò ní ẹgbẹ́ ìtàn náà pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ti ń take time yìí sẹ́rí lóò yìí ó ní the only obìnrin tó jẹ Ọ̀ọ̀ni rí ọmọ gẹ̀ẹ́sì sorry ọmọ ògbóòrò ní ògbóòrò ní so wọ́n believe pé nǹkan tí Ifẹ̀ ṣe fún ògbóòrò ò dáa ó similar sí nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún sí Ògbógbòdìrin so to appease odò náà tó wá lọ create ìlú kan wọ́n pè ní Ifẹ̀ Ọ̀dàn ní Ọ̀ṣun state níbẹ̀ náà so nǹkan kan àwọn kan wá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n wá lọ bẹ̀gbà tí gẹ̀ẹ́sì lọ tán wọ́n wá lọ bá lórí àbọ̀ fún wọn lè gbà ẹja fọmọ to appease the spirit again so ọmọ ẹ̀ wá jẹ́ obìnrin ni òun ló bí Tẹ̀lú Olúwo òun lẹ́sẹ̀ tó bí wọn pẹ̀lú pé Tẹ̀lú wà ọmọ yẹ́n ìyá Olúwo ni olólùmí máa sọ fún mi olóòwò àti bí Olúwa ní òun lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti jẹ́ olúwo máa sọ pé òun lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti jọ ọ̀ ní òparọ́ ká ní pé fẹ̀lú sí wa òparọ́ torí ìyẹ́ ẹ̀ ó ti yẹn sìn so Igbo people are Ifẹ̀ àwọn olóòwò kábíyèsí ló ti wà yẹn sìn ọmọ tó bí ó lè jọba lókè Ìgbò àbí màmá mi ó lè jọba lókè Ìgbò bó ti wà tọ́ra àwọn ló ní òkè Ìgbò ìgbà tó ń lọ tán òní Adélẹ́kàn Olúbùṣe ló jẹ Adélẹ́kàn Olúbùṣe yìí òní bàbá Síjú Adé ìṣẹ́ Olúbùṣe wà wọ́n fi Síjú Adé ní Olúbùṣe second again so now ó wá ṣe nǹkan fún wa nífẹ̀ẹ́ àti ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó wà very important well a lè sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni a tún lè sọ pé kò yẹ kó ṣe gan ó depend lórí perspective tá a wò before him èèyàn kì í fojú rọ̀ ni gbogbo àwọn jíjẹ́ ẹ̀rọ àgbà àwọn ènìyàn you cannot see your knee face to face even as an ọba you cannot see tálàfin bá débí ó máa bá sọ̀rọ̀ ó máa bá true ibi tí ọba ń kí ọ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn kí ló kọ Fọlúkẹ́ àbí tẹ́yìn bá dé ń sìn ọ̀ níwà lẹ́yìn bíi àwa ẹ̀mí ẹ̀sẹ̀ tó síbí àtàwọn tẹ́yìn bá dé ẹ máa kí wa kábíyèsí wa Fọlúkẹ́ káàbọ̀ ǹlẹ́ o sálàáfíà ni ọ̀dà máa sọ pé yèsí rèé nì kábíyèsí ọmọ rẹ ní Fọlúkẹ́ ọ wà ń bí o ọlá kí ọ bá mi sálàáfíà ni àlàáfíà ni àárò bàbá mi kàn sọ mẹ́rin yí àárò rẹ̀ bí sọ́wọ́n bàbá yóò pàtó ní kúrò rẹ mọ́ so yẹn so ọba ń kí ọ tó bá ti wà tí wàá sọ pé káàbíyèsí àwọn wọn máa sọ fún mi pé ọba ń kí ọ ọba mi tó ọba ń kí ọ ti jáde sí so wọn kì í rọ̀ ni wọn rọ̀ ní irun mọ̀lẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ rí ló sìn àfi tí wọ́n kàn fẹ́ pè sí ìyẹ̀wù ẹ̀ tó bá wà pé o sálàfin rí nìyẹn òkè wọ́n ti kọ́ jọ sọ̀rọ̀ sẹ́yìn pé nísìnyí náà tó bá lọ kọ́ sí visit tẹ́ bá ṣe ilé tẹ́ máa ṣe publicly tẹ́ tó máa wọ ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ti sọ pé tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ tán lójú àwọn èèyàn ọ̀nà àríkè ẹ̀bà mi mú ọyọ̀ mo fẹ́ rí bàbá yìí ké kọ́ máa bọ̀ aláàfin bàbá rẹ̀ fẹ́ rí ọ̀yẹ̀wò ó ti yẹ yín sìn so iṣẹ́ rí pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe náà àwa ti ń ṣe tipẹ́tipẹ́ nǹkan tó yìnbó láwọn ṣe you know so now in 1903 he demystified that age-long tradition of Ooni not being seen physically when two kingdoms of Remo of Remo in Remo land present Ogun State ìkan Ṣàgámù Remo ìkejì Ẹ̀pẹ́ Remo now they were fighting over supremacy then Korean now went to and say see better man for heaven how are we going to get these things up they now said the only person that can confirm that can authenticate who the supremacy that we are both fighting for is Ooni of Ife so the white people said what because prior to that time the white people were not according Ooni his due respect. They were rather giving it to another Oba in Yoruba land, not mentioning. Okay? And so, because of the account of history, they met when they first came, given to them or written by the subject of that Oba and presented to the. So, when they were treating Yoruba land, vis-a-vis, grading of, they believed that other was the number one. But when these people now said, when they now submitted that, no, the only father we have, you brought Alaafin is our contemporary now. You brought Awujale is our contemporary now. The only person that is not our contemporary, who is our father, who is the father of all the Yoruba, is Ooni. They were surprised. It surprised them. And that is why that other Oba whenever he wanted to mock on his ọ̀nà ìlágbára náà ọba 1903 lọ́wọ́ ní náà.
I know it's
ọba 1903 ní náà. So you see, so when the one they believe in reality.
Yeah.
So when they now saw, they came and said, meanwhile, not that they didn't know Oni, but they didn't
attach so much
grade him that
so high.
level. They said, it's not that bushman, that man in the bush that they say doesn't see
anybody.
how can that one be? So they came back and said, well, King, if truly you are the father of this race, your children are already killing themselves. So you have two options. Is it that you remain with this your tradition of not eating, you allow your people to finish themselves, or you better come out now. Let's take you there, go and resolve it for them. So he didn't just break that tradition. He did so in the interest of Yoruba race. That's why I said that quickly. What he did was for Ife and for the entire Yoruba race. And that was the first time, and only whoever travel out of this vicinity. Ever. So when he went, he said, okay, they consulted the oracle, they did all they needed to do spiritually, and they said, okay, we need 100 goats. The government said, 100, we will buy 1,000. We need 100 we will buy 2,000. And for you to follow on us, anything, we are going to buy. Okay? Now, that was how they took
This.
you are fighting supremacy with Akaribo. I am the father of the two of you. I remember when we created you. I remember when we created you. No matter how small or young in age, Akaribo is the father of all of
That's in it.
Yes. And it was gazetted, and Akaribo became the paramount ruler of Rema. Until today, they will say that no matter how young an Akaribo is, he remains the father of Rema.
Fantastic. That.
And this man, Adekola, was popular. He didn't have money, but Larry won't like it. Even the elder brother of this man supported this man. So you can, the entire family supported. This happened to be the best friend of his elder brother. Okay, so when he came out, the elder brother just said to him, bro, kí ló ló fẹ́ jẹ? Ọ ni, o láti ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni ó máa jẹ, ìwọ tó ń fowó ìwọ oppressor. So he didn't support his younger brother. He supported everybody, all the forces in Ife supported this man. He won. That okay, so you have won. Let me see if you are going to mount that throne. That if you ever mount that throne, call me a bastard. So he left the town in annoyance. He went to Ikiti State. Well, that place had been one of his business. He was trading, he was moving around. He had a business empire in Ikiti. So he moved to one of his estates in Ikiti. I don't know. Till today, you still have the Adimilu is there. In fact, one of them became acting governor. He's a top player acting Adimilu. How many? How many? So he went. So this one was chosen, like I said. He was taken to Ipebi. He finished everything. The day he was to come out to be crowned, he died. The day he was to come out to be crowned, he died. Okay? So when he died, I think they made 1 or 2 attempts. Didn't work. They now went to Ekiti. When they got to Ekiti, they said, Baba just left this morning. He went for his soya. They also traveled to his soya. They were looking for him everywhere. And they brought him to Ife. Tabo, come on. He became unopposed. In fact, he's like to be the only Oni that he might unopposed. Nobody could. And he spent 20 years. From 1910 to 1930. It was during his era that Modeke came back to Ife in 1912. This man had earlier sent Modeke in 1908. But during his reign, during this man's reign, he brought them back. So this man was succeeded, like I said, this is the grandfather of my mom. So he was succeeded by the best friend of his son, and who happened to be the richest man, one of the richest in Nigeria.
Minister.
Adesoja Aderele. Èèyàn kékeré kọ́ ló máa ń jẹ, you can't ọ̀lẹ ò lè jẹ Ọọ̀ni. Kò sínú tàn rí pé ẹni tí ò lọ́lá jẹ Ọọ̀ni náà. So in the history of African monarchy, in the history of African monarchy, I can't remember an African monarch that is as influential and powerful as this man. If a monarch, a serving monarch, can also be serving as a governor. Did it happen anywhere? He's a king. He was a king here, ruling from this palace. At the same time, occupying the government house in Ibadan as governor of Western Region. And also serve as minister. Also serve as parliamentarian. And he was only. No king again can be that powerful. It's not possible. I will tell you. Our so he reigned for 50 years. He became only at the age of 90. At the age of 40, and died at 90 in 1980. And succeeded by another glamorous, very stupendously rich, highly influential prince from Ogbu family. He also became the king at the age of 50. At that time, he was one of the richest in Nigeria. Yes, as at that time. So he So he reigned for 35 years. And then died in 2015, succeeded by this tall, handsome, good-looking, very rich. But if I say only is rich, I do tell people, our father is not that rich, but is benevolent. You know, when you display the spirit of benevolence, people will think you are money. Kabiyesi, I can't be low, but Allah me.
Kábíyèsí bàbá àti ọdún ẹ tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ wọlé o.
Báàkì
tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní o. tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ wọlé o. Màmá máa bá yín ní o. Ọkọ̀ yín máa bá lẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀ka lọ́rùn lẹ́tọ́ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní o. Bàbá máa bá yín sílẹ̀ ní o. Ìyàwó àti máa bá yín sílẹ̀ ní o. Bàbá ẹ̀ ní sàlejò gbà o. Ìlẹ̀ máa gbà o. Ìlẹ̀ máa di o.
Èrú adájí wọkọ mo wáyé mo oníbà ọwọ́ para ẹsẹ̀ para àsìkò àsìtọ́ àyíwáàsì àsọpẹ́sùn ká máa yún ká máa rá kásẹ̀ ya mọ́ sí o. Kábíyèsí bàbá mi ò ní rìsà ọmọ kúkẹ́ ìyá pẹ́ńpẹ́ ọmọ mọ̀rẹ̀ àgbàdà ìyá pẹ́ńpẹ́ ọmọ ọ̀rọ̀ forúfà ìyá pẹ́ńpẹ́ ẹni ìdájú o ẹni ìfọdún ní sàṣẹ náà ló ń wọlé àwọn ẹ̀sọ́ láti ilé ìlú ọ̀dọ́rẹ́ ìdílé ìfẹ́ àtọ́rọ̀ lágbára yèyé bàbá mi ọdún ní ẹni jáse máa bá kábíyèsí ìgbà ọdún kan ní ìwà.
Inú àjà tó rọrùn bí ẹ̀ ti dàgbà ọmọ tó wúlò ní ìyá ní ìsinmi.
Ilé ẹ̀fẹ̀ àtòrò. Àṣẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ilé nì. Ètò àrínì ní a máa tó máa bímọ lé.
Ìdálẹ̀ ilẹ̀ káàárọ̀ òjìrí àgbè yìí o. Ìdálẹ̀ ilẹ̀ ẹ̀fẹ̀ àgbè yìí o. Ìdílé ayé òdòdó fún yìí. Ọdún àdá tó ń ta ṣe ní ọdún èyí ní agbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè tí èmi àjò ilé rẹ̀. Ẹni lójú àgbè yìí o. Òrìṣà dátán tí Olódùmarè rán wá sílé ayé tí orúkọ ẹ̀ ń rò ó nítorí pé nípasẹ̀ ni Olódùmarè ṣe dá wa tán adániwáyé ti dá wa o ní agbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè bí Olódùmarè ṣe dá wa tán pé gbogbo ohun tó ń dá dáradára ni nípasẹ̀ òrìṣà dátán ní agbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè gbogbo yín tẹ́ wà ń bí gbogbo tẹ́ wá gbélé ayé ṣe ẹ máa ṣe nírọ̀rùn. Adániwáyé ti dá wa tán ó dá méjèèjì ó dá ire ó dá ibi ó kù sí ọwọ́ oníkálukú bóyá ìpasẹ̀ ibi ló fẹ́ tọ̀ tàbí ìpasẹ̀ eré gbogbo ẹ̀ ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fúnra ni Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè a máa yà wá ya bí o. Tó o bá jẹ́ rere ló bá mọ̀ adániwáyé ó ti dá wa tán ẹni tó ń ṣe rere máa gbé o. Oníkà náà adániwáyé ti dá wa tán oníkà náà ẹni tó ń ṣe bí agbèrè bí ọ̀rọ̀. Ilé ò ní lé yín o. Gbogbo nǹkan tí mo wúlè ní àràárọ̀ mọ́ bá a ṣe tọ́jú èèyàn máa ṣe tẹ̀lé o. Gbogbo tí mo wí àràárọ̀ mọ́ o. Owó bá balẹ̀ báyìí ó máa ń nípa ni o. Ẹ nípa ṣe rere láyé àràárọ̀ ọmọkùnrin.
Tunde Enitan Ogunwusi Ojaja II for knowing the value of culture. His Imperial Majesty said he has been hearing about Foluke Adebayo Ni Ogunlowo and her contribution towards preserving Yoruba cultural heritage and also African cultural heritage as a whole, and he is excited to receive her in his palace.
Àti àtúnṣe gbogbo tí ẹ bá ń lérò fún ìlọsíwájú àṣà wa àti ìṣẹ̀ṣe wa àti ìgbéga nínú nǹkan ẹ̀sìn dálẹ̀ wa wọ́n ń wúmi lórí púpọ̀ Ọlọ́run ló máa bá mi tó ti ẹni ṣiṣẹ́ ẹni ṣìjẹ ẹni ṣìwí ẹni ṣìfún ẹni ṣìlẹ̀tẹ̀ olùrà yóò ní fún ẹni ṣubú ẹni dáná ẹni lẹ́nu onígbàṣẹ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí mo wọlé ní ara rọ̀ gbogbo àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ tó bá ń ṣiṣẹ́ náà Ọlọ́run ló máa bá mi tó ti àtúbọ̀ máa là fún ọ̀tọ̀ àbúrò àti ọmọ bá mi là fún wọ́n máa lórí wọ́n máa bọ̀ gbogbo ọ̀dà ó ní wọn láyé àwọn yóò ṣe gbogbo tí mo wí àràárọ̀ ayé àṣẹ tó kó balẹ̀ owó dà ṣe ní àṣẹ. Olórí kábíyèsí ẹni bá ṣe ẹ̀gúsí ló máa ń jẹ ọbẹ̀ wọ́n ní igi rere tẹ bá wo igi rere èso rere ló máa so igi rere náà ní ẹ̀rẹ̀ fi so èso rere lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè èso yín kò ní rẹ̀ dànù ẹ ṣe wá sí ilẹ̀ Oòduà lẹ́nu inú yá tó máa dùn ayọ̀ yá máa kó ẹ máa rí ọmọlé ọmọ ní ojú yín ti rí ìran méjì ojú yín á rí ìran mẹ́ta lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè yíyẹ ló máa ń yẹyẹ dídẹ̀ ló máa ń dé àdàbà náà ó ṣe ń yẹ yín báyìí kò ní yẹ sílẹ̀ fún àwọn ọmọ tí Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè fi jí kí àwọn èso ara yín lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè gbogbo èròǹgbà ọkàn yín sí rere sí rere ní agbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè àtúnjẹ kó mọ̀ máa gbòòrò sí gbogbo ayé àtúnbọ̀ máa gbòòrò sí ara òní níyàn ọjọ́ alẹ́ yín òní dídàkúdà àgbáyé àdálẹ́ o ẹ jèrè àwọn ọmọ yín ẹ tún jèrè àwọn ọmọ náà lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè lágbára orí ìtẹ́ tí gbogbo wa ti lọ tẹ wálé gbogbo ibi tẹ fojú sí láyé ọ̀nà àgbàbẹ̀ fún yín gbogbo nǹkan tí mo wí àràárọ̀ mọ́ tàṣẹ ni mo fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ torí tàṣẹ lọ́jọ́ fi ń lọ tàṣẹ ni òun fi hàn alábàáláṣẹ kábíyèsí Olódùmarè wọn náà ló ń jẹ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí mo wí lè àràárọ̀ ẹ máa rí àwọn èso ara yín inú yín á máa dùn yín ẹ máa rí àwọn èso ara yín inú yín máa dùn yín ẹ máa rí àwọn èso ara yín ayọ̀ yín á máa kú nǹkan tó ń ṣe ohun mi lórí púpọ̀ àti ìlera rí mo ní mo bá ilé mi yìí nígbà tí arákùnrin kò sí onígègé wúrà yóò ti sọ ó ti ròyìn àtàrẹ ní ìgbà tí mo wá wò mo ní àdúgbò lọ́wọ́ náà Ọlọ́run nígbà tó ń jẹ́ kí ìyẹn bá yín ẹbí àti kábíyèsí ibi tí ẹ ti jáde orí adé náà ni wọ́n lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè wọn ní rẹ̀ dàtà ayọ̀ yẹn kún dùn òwúrọ̀ yóò nílùú fún mi bí mi ṣe dùn lébi tẹ bá gẹ sínú mi ní kọsẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run ní kọsẹ̀ láyé ẹlẹ́gìrì àwọn ọmọ yìí kọsẹ̀ ibi tó bá wà káàkiri orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin àgbáláyé ẹ̀jẹ̀rì wọn wà láríwá ayé wọn máa bá lànà pàdé wọn wà ní gúúsù ayé wọn bá lànà pàdé ìwọ̀ oòrùn ayé wọn bá lànà pàdé ìlà oòrùn ayé wọn bá lànà pàdé àárín gbogbo ayé lẹ́wọ̀ ayé o àárín gbogbo ayé gbogbo ni gbàgede ní àsálò ayé àti àsálò ọ̀run ibi tí ojúmọ́ ti mọ́ wá ohun gangan lẹ́wọ̀ ayé òun gangan ni ó gbé gbogbo ẹ̀rọ òun ni òkúmúlérò tó gbé ilé ayé ró àárín gbogbo ayé tẹ wáyé ní agbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè ara yẹn tó wà lè ṣe torí ní àárín gbogbo ara náà ni ara ti ń le ibẹ̀ ní ìyá àti ọmọ tí wọ́n ti máa ń jọ ń fi okùn kan náà so wọ́n pọ̀ ní àárín gbogbo ayé tẹ wáyé lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè ẹni kábàámọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ìròyìn adùn ayọ̀ yẹn ẹ máa rí ọmọlé ọmọ ni lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè ayọ̀ yẹn kún gbogbo tí mo wúlé ní ara rọ̀ àríbi àṣebẹ̀ fún alẹ́ ṣebẹ̀ fún gbàùn tó bá yín ọ̀nà yẹn là wò ẹ̀yìn kúsájú ẹ̀yìn gbésájú lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè ẹ̀kẹ́rẹ́ òkúdé ara rọ̀ àríbi àṣebẹ̀ àríbi tó ọba lè òkú dá ṣe ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Báwo ni sùúrù ní abẹ́yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ó wà bẹ́ẹ̀? Focus
Youth in Focus Initiative.
We are
NGO.
It's an NGO. We empower all youth in all aspects. We train, we empower, we enlighten, and we help, we assist. So she is our CEO as well. She we have an organization in charge of the women. We call them GSP. She's the one in charge too. They take care of the women, the widow, the less privileges. Even the Youth in Focus Initiative, we take care of the less privileges too, the downtrollers. So that's what she's been doing. On behalf of our CEO, Ati Ubawomegbe, when he came to pay Kabis, Eshe Gonsa, Eko Adejowa, Eshe Pepe Bawase. The men are the Albioye, that's the region. Thank you, sir.
God bless Foluke Africa Center for Arts and Culture. God bless Youth in Focus Initiative.